I didn't even know if I was gonna hunt, so I figured I'd just bring her at least walk along the side.
Oh, hi, come here. She a little scared?
Yeah, she's a
little scaredy.
Yeah, a little pain in the ass right now. She's only like 13 weeks.
Hi there, hi there. You're cute.
But I've taken her out to the range and she's not too worried about that.
Come here, come.
But I figured she could come out here and run with Holly.
Yeah. Oh, you pointing because your paws are cold?
Yeah.
What if they hide in this brush pile?
Oh, what brush pile? In the middle? Or oh, for sure.
There it is. Throw it up, throw it up.
Oh, hell yeah, they're flying at us.
John?
They're flying at us.
I shot that thing so far away, I was like...
Oh, you shot it?
Right towards them.
Yep.
Holly, go, Holly, Holly, go, 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 go.
I'm not shooting it.
Hey, it was either let it pass or turn it to soup for me.
Oh, they smoked it.
Bird, bird, bird.
Dang.
I'm waiting. All right, everybody.
Ooh.
All right. That's what I'm talking about. Make them nervous. They're nervous.
I just had a failure to shoot there.
Holly,
No,
come!
to ignite.
Holly, come!
Dude, it turned into a black powder fuse.
Wait, is this what all
Hey, that first one, I think I shot that one.
I just hit its tail off, and then it kept going. You ready?
I don't know where it landed, but oh wait, there's a dude up there.
Slow up. There's gonna be.
Why is there a dude up there?
Where?
There's a dude up there in the path.
Where?
Right there.
Guys, someone says there's a hunter out in front of us. Anybody else got eyes on it?
He's in the path.
Okay, there's another bird right up here.
Don't shoot low. There's a hunter. There's a hunter in the middle.
How far?
He's probably 100 yards or so.
We got one in front right here. Don't block.
Dog got it? You dog front or what?
Yeah, well, I can get Holly. There's a hunter in front of us.
There's a dude up there.
Come here, Max. Just bring him here.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. There you go. Jesus Christ. Oh, you're killing me. All right.
I think I shot. Did you shoot any of those?
Did we get those other two?
I think everybody was shooting.
Oh, it's still kind of alive.
We got 4 birds.
How many birds do we have in front of us?
4.
4. All right.
I
need some dogs
I
up
think
here.
I shot 3.
Be careful.
You got this one.
I think I shot that one. That should have been Rod's shot, but
Yeah,
I shot both. I think I
yours is
shot
like
2 of
right
those.
here. All right, that one's
I mean, I'll take one so I can shoot another one. There's 3 ducks right there. There's a teal.
Holly on it. Holly's got
I
it.
smacked one that was right in front of Ron.
Holly, bring it. Bring it.
Oh, he's a good boy. Oh.
Bring it. Bring it.
Fucking duckman's over here needs to get the ball.
What are they doing?
Walking towards this like the typical
It's still alive.
Oh, did you ring it or no?
The other one? We got 1. There should be 3 more. Oh, you got 2? I got 1.
We found 3. I think there's 1. You know, stuff it in there for me? Yeah, I got you. Dude, everyone hammered that one bird. There was probably 4 shots that nicked him, and he was still going up. I was like, all right.
Oh, was there one? Did Holly pick one?
Yeah.
That was the one Richie hit, I think.
Oh, I've got 2, so we might have all 4 of that.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
Or are we missing one more?
Someone can
I
have
didn't
one of
hit
those.
one. Mac was talking to me.
I think I
That
shot
one
3 of them.
You hit one earlier, right? There should be 5 total. I'll say I got 1.
You can take that one. I want to keep shooting. Someone can have it.
Go.
Yeah, I'm holding 2. I don't really want to be holding 2.
Hey, put one in the back of me.
Yeah,
All
spread.
right. Let's get the other guy some birds. He's doing all right.
Okay, let's just keep high shots. We still got that guy coming in.
All right, yeah.
All right.
Keep everything high.
Holly, come.
Zeph, you shoot one of those?
Yeah.
Hard to say.
It's hard to
There should be one more, I think.
I've got video evidence.